Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today. We will explain a topic that many of us have pondered at some point, the soulmate myth. Do we really have just one perfect match out there? Or is it all just a romantic notion? Let's unravel the truth behind this captivating idea. First, let's define what a soulmate actually is. Traditionally, a soulmate is seen as a person with whom one has a deep, natural affinity. This can encompass love, friendship, and understanding. But where did this idea come from? The term soulmate can be traced back to ancient Greece, where philosophers believed that humans were once whole beings, split in half by the gods, forever searching for their other half. This concept of completeness is romantic, but not necessarily realistic. The romanticization of soulmates. We see this idea heavily romanticized in movies and books. The notion that there's one special person destined for you can create unrealistic expectations in relationships. What happens when we don't feel that instant connection? Are we to believe that we haven't found our soulmate yet? These narratives lead us to believe that love should be effortless and magical. However, real relationships require work, understanding, and compromise. The science behind connections. So what does science say about soulmates? Research indicates that successful relationships are built on shared values, communication, and effort, rather than a mystical connection. Psychology shows us that compatibility is developed over time through shared experiences and challenges. In fact, the idea of a soulmate can sometimes hinder our ability to form meaningful connections because it encourages the search for perfection rather than embracing the unique imperfections of a partner, creating your own connection. So if soulmates may not exist in the way we think, what can we focus on instead? Building strong, fulfilling relationships requires intention. Here are some tips for creating deep connections with your partner. Communicate openly and honestly. Share experiences and create memories together. Work through challenges as a team. Always support each other's growth. Conclusion. In conclusion, while the idea of a soulmate is enchanting, it's essential to recognize that love is a choice and a commitment. By fostering connection, respect, and love, we can create our own unique soulmate experiences. So, let go of the myth and embrace the journey of love and relationships. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on relationships and personal growth. Until next time, keep loving, keep growing.